We meet again, Honda Zero EVs. Once again, the automakers return to CES 2025 with two of the coolest concept cars that you'll see here at the show. Only this time, they're not concepts, they're prototypes because they're going to actually build these things. So let's take a look at the Honda Zero Saloon and Honda Zero SUV. Now the first one we're going to start with is the Honda Zero SUV concept, which you can see right here over my shoulder. It is a dramatic departure from the Space Hub we had last year. Now we've got a more traditional SUV shape, but we've still got that sort of sloped roof line from the Space Hub, giving this thing a very interesting profile with a lot of visual weight towards the back and low in the vehicle, making it look very sporty. Now the most interesting news here is that Honda has committed to start actually manufacturing this thing next year in early 2026 at their Ohio plant. So you can see something like this on the road sooner than you might think. Next up is the Zero Saloon, which returns as a prototype, not just a concept. It's got pretty much the same look with a slightly different front end as we saw last year, but a new white coat of paint. And instead of gull wing doors, we've got regular doors. Those are going to be easier to manufacture and more production friendly, which again, Honda's committed to manufacturing this vehicle as well in late 2026. Now, both vehicles debut Honda's new Asimo OS dashboard software, and that's going to be named after Honda's old Asimo robot. It kind of pays homage to the fact that robotics kind of paves the way for autonomous driving technology. Now, the Asimo software will learn things about the driver, so things like their favorite destinations, their favorite colors, their favorite songs, and it'll be able to interact with them via voice in a very natural way. Now, with both of these EVs, Honda's making very bold claims about eyes-off autonomous driving, equipping both of them with steer-by-wire, brake-by-wire, and of course, being EVs, drive-by-wire, and that's going to set them up for autonomous technology, maybe at launch, maybe post-launch via an over-the-air update. Once again, Honda's managed to show up with one of the coolest looking concepts at CES 2025. If you want to see more about what's happening here at the show, head over to CNET.com where we've got all the news from AI to autonomous cars to beyond. Drive safe and I'll meet you there.